Jai Hind to all of you. Today we are here to discuss about the PGT. PGT stands for the Progressive Group Task. It is one of the tasks of your GTO series. This is the third task and first task of the GTO for which you are going to be on the ground. So the things are very simple. The very first thing, GTO will brief you about this task, then he will show you the 4 stages of this task, then he will brief you about the rules and regulations of this task, then he will give you the helping material in order to help you out in this task. What is this task? There will be a starting line and the finishing line for a stage 1, and in the similar manner there will be 4 stages. You have to cross all the 4 stages in 45 minutes, but the thing is that you cannot put your foot on the ground, means the ground is out of bound for you as well as for your helping material. So in order to help you out over those stages, there will be some structures, and in order to take the help of that structures, you will be provided with the helping materials, mainly 3 helping material, that is plank, wooden log and the rope. So let's have an overview over the PGT. What's the objective of the PGT? To solve obstacle as a group using logic, planning and the teamwork, cross the obstacle area using helping material without touching the ground. What are the OLQs that are going to be checked in the PGT? The very first is the leadership, the team spirit, resourcefulness, planning, decision making and the physical stamina. सिर्फ फट्टे बल्ली रस्सी से काम करने का टेस्ट नहीं है, टेस्ट है इन OLQs का कि आप कितने अच्छे तरीके से लीड कर रहे हैं, कितने अच्छे से अपने ग्रुप को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं, कितना रिसोर्सफुलनेस है आपके अंदर, कितनी प्लानिंग है, डिसीजन मेकिंग कैसा है और फिजिकल स्टेमिना क्या है. रिमेंबर, GTO ऑब्जर्व हाउ यू बिहेव, नॉट जस्ट व्हाट यू सी. कैसा तुम बिहेव कर रहे हो ये भी GTO बहुत ही बारीकी तरीके से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टास्क इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट ऑफ द पर्सनैलिटी. Step 1, group receive rules and instructions. Step 2, you are given helping material. Step 3, group faces 4 obstacles. Step 4, team must cross start line to finish line using logic. No touching the red, blue colored, and that I have already discussed about the rules and regulations. Some more. No jumping, no throwing of the material, no crossing red areas. Use only given materials. Work as a team member, not individual. So what are the tips in the PGT? Be active, not aggressive. Now think before you act. Listen to others, give logical ideas, help teammates. Leadership is shown through action, not shouting. So that's all for the PGT today. In the longer videos, we will have a brief discussion about the do's and don'ts and the things of the PGT, and we will also discuss over several structures as well. Till then, keep preparing. Jai Hind.